Good morning children and welcome to the online session of English Grammar of class 8. Let us open the book to page number 33. We have to begin with quantifiers. Quantifiers are also a kind of determiner. Now let us first try to understand what is a quantifier. Quantifier comes from the name quantity. It comes from the name quantity. Okay, so first we will try to understand what is a quantifier. So look at it here. Quantifiers. Quantifiers, as the name suggests, quantifiers are the words that describe the quantity of the noun we are talking about. So quantifiers are words that describe the quantity of the noun. Now, these quantifiers are used with uncountable as well as with countable nouns. Alright. So, what are these quantifiers? These are the quantifiers. Any, some, much, many, several and a lot of are quantifiers. Now, let us look at this any and some. These determiners can refer to both quantity and number. These quantifiers any and some, it denotes both quantity and number. Some is used in affirmative and interrogative sentences. Now some, this quantifier some can be used in affirmative sentences. Affirmative means positive sentences and interrogative sentences. Interrogative means question sentences. The sentences in which we ask questions. Examples: there is some money in my pocket. Now here, in this sentence, some refers to quantity. However, this quantity is not in numbers. Okay, we just know that there is some money in my pocket. It is referring to some quantity. Okay, some children have come to meet you. Now in this sentence again, some denotes quantity but not number. Some can be any number of children. Okay, now do you have some money? Here also, some refers to quantity, not the exact number but only the quantity. There is some quantity. There is some money in my pocket means there is some quantity of money. We don't know the number of it, but there is some money. Some children, we don't know how many children, but some children have come to meet you. Do you have some money? Now some refers to some quantity, not the number. I hope you have understood this one. Now let us move to this quantifier any. Any is used in negative and interrogative sentences. Any is used in negative, the sentences that have no or not in it or do not. Okay, all these sentences that have no, not or do not in it are negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Any is used in both negative and interrogative sentences. Okay, examples: I don't have any money to spare. Now, I don't have any money to spare. This is a negative sentence. Why? Because it has this word do not, don't in it. Okay, so it is a negative sentence. I don't have any money to spare. So this any, this quantifier any is used in negative sentences. And second sentence, there isn't any milk left in the pan. There isn't any milk left in the pan. This again is a negative sentence, children. Isn't means is not. Is not. So wherever there is the word no, not or do not used in a sentence, it is a negative sentence. So here again any is used in a negative sentence. Third one, don't you have any money in your pocket? Now this is also a negative sentence as well as an interrogative sentence. Interrogative because it is a question. Okay, don't you have any money in your pocket? Okay, so it is an interrogative sentence. So in these type of sentences also we can use any. Now I'll tell you the meaning of it. I don't have any money to spare means I don't have any money. No money is there with me to spend. Okay, there isn't any milk left in the pan. There is no milk left in the pan. That is the meaning of this sentence. Next, don't you have any money in your pocket? Now this is a question. It is being asked by the speaker that don't you have any money? Not a single money. Don't you have any single money in your pocket? So that is the meaning of it. That is how any is used in negative as well as in interrogative sentences. And some is used in affirmative and interrogative sentences. Alright. Now, sometimes any is used to indicate that it does not matter which one or who. Now, there is another use of this quantifier any. It is used to indicate that it does not matter which one or who. Now, we will understand it with this example. I will wear any dress in the evening. Now, here any refers to anyone. It does not matter which one. We do not know which one. It can be anyone. I will wear any dress in the evening. That is the meaning of this sentence. Alright. I have written another example for you. Any student can participate in the dance competition. Any student. Any means anyone, we do not know who. Okay. So in such type of sentences, wherever we are not sure of which one or who, in those type of sentences we can use this quantifier any. Alright. Now, there is a value corner here. Please look at it. Many cars are running on the road. This is a sentence. Underline the determiner and mention its category. Underline the determiner. Obviously the determiner is